Today I wanna show you the installation of this magic package. If your cluster is pretty boring and if you want to make big difference in your cars, I want to show you how to make it rock by means of this magic package for this car. Okay, let's go. Okay, there is a screw that the cluster is held by these. You can remove these and put them aside, and be careful not to lose that. Okay, at the behind of the cluster there is one socket and sometimes some harnesses. You can push here at the lock. And unplug the socket, and now the cluster is set free. Let's go to the next. Okay guys, this is the magic package, but at first we should remove these clips over here. Squeeze this, squeeze. It's not hard and you won't have any problem. Careful not to break this length, and now the cluster is ready. You know guys, we don't need to get inside the cluster or circuit board. We just need to install this magic package. There is a cover. First we should remove this cover and then let's go. Okay guys, this plate is completely separate and the cover is removed, and now it's ready to install. Like this. It's really beautiful, especially at night. Let's reinstall to the magic package is completely installed, and now it's time to connect the sockets. Okay, squeeze the light and it's finished. Screw is completely closed. It's better to have a magnetic screwdriver that really help you. And now it's okay. Let's reinstall the covers. Okay, the bezel is held by two clips on the below and two clips on top. I push it, you can put it in place. Let's try it at night.